today.
Hey, when I'm tidy up today, do you know what happened? Nothing. I see anything at all. None. เอาทำไมไม่เข้าใจ
I'm sorry guys, I just had to do that because my parents were talking downstairs, so yeah, just please don't mind they're talking in the background. So yeah, I'm also going to my bed now. So okay, I forgot what I was talking about, but I know I just did a Roblox YouTube, but I think maybe I should do like gacha, like some other games as well. Yeah. So yeah, but anyways, get started. Yeah, so yeah, let's start. Okay, so this is my arc. Why am I boy? But anyways, who cares? So maybe I should make this my boy. I don't really care. I kind of imagine him right now. No offense. No, not really. Okay, I kind of have a picture in my head, so this may be a fast one. So sorry, that looks much like a girl. So I'm sorry, gotcha. I just had to. Pew. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Dude, I'm not letting you wear that. Yeah, no, this isn't gonna work. Jeez, so. So yeah, I do plan an iPad. I'm not too good at designing. So I just say, I want to say good. If I want to say bad, but like, yeah, guess. Huh. Oh, okay. Yeah, I need to add that. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to think of other things. I'm gonna need. Wait, let me just. Yeah, I'm a wolf. So anyway, so yeah, I guess this is gonna I have no idea what this I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what. Yeah, that's an name. No. Barsome, no. How do you anti-o what? Ah! Wait, what? Set her arc. Jack, yeah, sure, we'll go for that. Me, you. I don't know why, but I just started doing red and white for my art because it's December. I'm sorry, I just did that. Yeah, on my 10 seconds ago, and I have pictures. Ooh, look at that. Upload and rate characters with my rate my arc. Cool. Cool. It's cool, I guess. Sorry for all the sounds, but yeah, because I just tried to do a video in a very bad time. So yeah. Oh my god. First arc accomplished. As usually, I kind of changed its face for this part. But you know, faces kind of keep on changing. So yeah. So I'm thinking for the next look, I should do my BFF. After my BFF is done, I shall end this video. So yeah. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to film that part. Please forgive me. So yeah. Instead of doing my best friend, I kind of changed my mind and so maybe I'd go for this to be my sister. I mean, why not? Oh, wrong thing. Wait. This is gonna be my exact opposite twin, so we're gonna have the same things basically. Yeah, same things. But in different colors. Same colors, but in different patterns. I'm sorry, I just got the sniffles a bit. Really, like, not a bit, actually a lot. So I did a mini skirt. I know that the skirt may seem tiny, but honestly, I don't see what's so bad in it. Oh, I just noticed I'm only wearing socks. Okay. Okay. This is gonna take super long. Oh my god. Like, I missed so much from my original. Okay, be quiet. I have to be quiet. Oh my god, another answer. You can skip this part. Look, there other. Okay. 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 One. Red. I'm sorry, you guys, for what you're hearing. Wait, chill. Okay, I'm just checking. Socks, check. Mini skirt, check. Thing top. Long sleeves. Star iPad. Stripes. Okay, I got everything. I'm sorry that I forgot to record the name making, but anyways, this is my sister. I thought of doing a voice for her, so here it goes. Hey, yeah, I have nothing to say. So, okay, I'll hand it over to my sis. Okay, but anyways, as I said, you did not just see that. But anyways,